Hello, my name is Martin Mudhomi. My co-partner is Anne Wambui. We are all 4th years pursuing bachelors in computer science. Welcome to our project presentation. Our general objective was to design an IoT-based smart fire emergency response system. Unlike other fire response systems that only raise an alarm, our smart fire response system raises an alarm notifying the individuals within the premises, sends an SMS to the individuals registered in the system notifying them of the incidents, notifies the nearest fire marshal of the incidents, giving them the location of the incidents, and also opens the door of the premises, paving way for the persons trapped in the house as well as the fire marshal who would want to access the building on arrival. So it's a plus to our system as it not only focuses on safeguarding the assets in the building but also focuses on the security and safety of the personnel that are inside the premises by giving them a notification right on their devices, also calling the fire marshal on their behalf, and also opening the door for them for ease evacuation in case they are trapped in the premises. For us to be able to implement the solution, our software requirements were Arduino IDE and the Arduino C language. Hardware requirements were quite a number. We used Arduino Uno R3 board. This is the microcontroller. GSM SIM900. This facilitates for communication between the system and the users. Smoke sensor. This for monitoring smoke particles in the surrounding. Frame sensor. This used to monitor the presence of fire. Frame. Temperature sensor, which is used to monitor the temperature values, temperature readings in the building. We also used a breadboard, which helps in current distribution, jumper wires, a switch, LED bulbs, and resistors. The system has 3 indicators: green, yellow, and a red indicator. When the system boots, these 3 indicators light from green, yellow, and red in that order. These indicators are meant to make it easier for the users to monitor the system. The green indicator means the system is okay, meaning all the readings from the sensors are below the set threshold. Yellow indicator means that the system is in an incoming alarm mode, meaning there is an incoming alarm. The user have an opportunity to cancel the incoming alarm if there is no fire incidents. We'll explain more about this. Red indicator indicates that there is a fire incident and the alarm is on. Our system basically keeps watch over 3 things: monitoring the readings from the smoke, frame, and temperature sensors. In case there is a fire incident in a building, we probably expect that these 3 variables will be altered. For instance, the smoke concentration will rise. There may be some frame, and the temperature values in the building will rise. When the readings from the smoke, temperature, and frame sensor rises too high above the set threshold, then probably there may be a fire outbreak. Any of those values rising past the set threshold triggers the system into an, in quotes, incoming alarm mode stage. The indicator changes from green to yellow, meaning there is an incoming alarm. The reason for this is to give users time to verify if indeed there is an emergency incident. At times, sensors can give wrong readings, and we really don't want to give false alert to the fire marshal. This is an area we would like to improve in future, maybe use AI, where we can mount cameras in the building and the images obtained can be used to tell if indeed there is fire. So, in this incoming alarm mode, the system sends a message to the users notifying them that there is an incoming fire alarm. The users can cancel if indeed there is no fire in the premises, or leave it to go on if indeed there is a fire incident. User may not be at the premises during this time, so they can liaise with the people at the premises, maybe the watchman, to verify if indeed there is a fire incident or not. One can cancel the incoming alarm by sending an SMS off to the system or using a switch which is mounted on the building. If there is fire, there is no need to respond to the alert. After 60 seconds and there is no response, the system triggers the alarm. The siren goes on. The system also opens the door for evacuation of the building. It also sends a message to the users and also sends a message to the fire marshal, including the location of the fire incidents and other relevant information about the incident. Finally, with all the advantages of our system that we have indicated in our documentation, our system can be helpful if installed in homes, building apartments, and even at offices. And that brings us to the end of the presentation. Thank you.